Let's go, Josh!
I almost put him on before. My God.
Oh, you got this. Yeah!
It's a good spot to miss. There in the zone. Good job, Keeters.
65 miles per hour.
I was
67 miles per hour.
He kept doing head fakes. 68 miles per hour. You know, you're rolling.
All right, Josh!
63 miles per hour. 57 miles per hour.
Enjoyed your playlist today.
Well, that's
Some of yours were on there.
I think she did that.
69 miles per hour.
There was a few in there I could totally hear you listening to.
Oh, yeah.
67 miles per hour. 71 miles per hour. 67 miles per hour. 71 miles per hour. 69 miles per hour.
Good eyeball.
Make him work.
71 miles per
All
hour.
right, Josh!
69 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour.
Okay.
Oh, that was 3.
That was 2.
103 miles.
That was 2.
103 miles per hour.
Did you put your back?
66 miles per hour. 71 miles per hour.
Got it, Josh!
Get it back. Yay, yay.
Can't straighten it out now, huh?
69 miles per hour.
Go with the same for both teams. Blue, come on.
No Tina.
54 miles per
Good
hour.
eye!
Sammy Davis.
Good eye! Wait for your pitch, man.
68 miles per
Be
hour.
on it.
You're on it!
Yep.
55 miles per hour.
You got this, bud.
Come on, Sam!
68
Good
miles
eye,
per hour.
buddy!
So you're picking them up here. Oh, you're picking them in Salt Lake on the way back.
69 miles per hour.
Yeah! We'll take it!
Go.
What?
Saw his move.
70 miles per hour.
It's gonna.
68 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. 68 miles per hour.
Good night.
Heads up.
53 miles per hour.
What, Sam? What are you doing?
Sit back on it now. Hit.
Sam could have like
68 miles per hour.
You lied. It's on the first base approach. That's all I'm saying.
68 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour. 63 miles per hour.
You got it. Yeah! Way to go!
66.
Yeah! All right, Keith.
all right, Al. I think I hit him on the top of the head.
Way to go, Al.
67 miles per hour.
Batting is number 1, Jack Fitzgerald.
I figured after spring break.
74 miles per hour.
No play. He's ready. He's throwing games.
74 miles per hour.
We never had this many games in a row.
No.
Seventy-five
Nice pitch.
miles.
All right. Way to go, Keith.
Awesome pitch.
Way to battle back. Let's go down, KP.
68 miles per hour.
Hey, right idea now. Right idea. This spot right there.
I don't remember more.
Yeah!
Miles per hour.
Nice pitch.
We had a few no
72 miles per hour.
Way to keep him honest, AA.
65 miles per hour.
You pulled back.
Oh, come on. He never pulled it back.
What did he say?
You and your baseball talk.
65
But they're ready for what's going on.
81 miles per hour.
Nice.
65 miles per hour.
Way to get to it, KB.
No, this is Pearson. This is number 1.
66 miles per hour.
Woo! Nice.
Good spot. Good spot.
75 miles per hour.
Yeah!
67 miles per hour. 67 miles per hour.
That last one was a little bit off. Earlier, I thought it was a strike, but that last one.
59 miles per hour. 56 miles per hour. 65 miles per hour. 69 miles per hour. 65 miles per hour. 69 miles per hour. 54 miles per hour.
Did you? Well, about Brigham, I wanted to throw him out on the highway. He was driving me nuts. I know, he's enjoying it.
65 miles per hour.
All right, Double A. You've seen it. Drive it.
68 miles per hour.
I heard about that.
63 miles per hour.
Oh my god. That's a cool name.
Calliope?
Yeah.
Yeah! 53 miles per hour.
Yep, the whole time.
Deep breath, Summer. You got this. Deep breath.
Okay. And they told me to bring one. I'll go back and get one.
69 miles per hour.
You got it, Sean.
Down the alley. We gotta go. We gotta go. Let's go.
Come on, Shimmer!
Yeah!
Miles per hour. 65 miles per hour. 68 miles per hour.
Got you saved 2 runs.
What?
Got you saved a run twice.
Oh, yeah.
I guess.
52 miles per hour.
Let's go, Hank!
All right, Hank!
67 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour.
All right, Zach!
He's trying to drop.
7 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour.
All right, Zach!
He's trying to drop.
What?
He's trying to drop the year.
50.
Yeah! Oh, good hit.
Nice job, Hank.
Good job, Hank.
64 miles per hour. 65 miles per hour.
On the knees. All through, all the way.
71 miles per hour. 72 miles per hour. 98 miles per hour. 65 miles per hour. 67 miles per hour. 72 miles per hour. 72 miles per hour.
There you go.
73 miles per hour.
Oh.
Oh,
64 miles per hour.
Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Hold it. Let's go now. Go, team, let's go.
99 miles per hour.
Awesome. If you want to sit on this chair, you can.
90 miles per hour. 72 miles per hour. 74 miles per hour.
Best pitch right here, Peter.
75 miles per hour.
Boy, Sam. He's getting in there pretty close. That's like Anthony Rizzo's stuff there. There you
73
go.
miles per hour.
Some mustard on that one.
66 miles per hour.
Gerald, are you down here?
76 miles per hour.
Nice bounce.
68 miles per hour.
Now again. I think so. He doesn't seem to be bothered by it. I think he's taking. Oh yeah, no, I've seen.
69 miles per hour.
That was trouble.
That looked like explosive.
76 miles per hour. 66 miles per hour. 68 miles per hour.
All right, bro.
Listen to me. I don't know if he's the game's. Kyle.
67
Yes, he did.
miles
Yes,
per
he
hour.
did.
Of course.
Oh, come on! That's every time you gotta call that.
68 miles per hour.
Okay, give it a minute.
73 miles per hour.
Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah.
66 miles per hour.
All right, Keith.
66 miles per hour.
Barely got a piece.
Just all, I've only had like 2 conversations.
72 miles per hour.
Yeah, he is way late on that. He's way late on that.
70 miles per hour. 66 miles per hour.
JJ.
Now that's working.
65 miles per hour. 66 miles per hour.
Batting number 7, Jay Jensen.
$66 miles per hour.
You got this, Yay.
Good, Josh.
60 miles per hour.
There you go.
68 miles per hour.
Never say die, Logan. Let's go, Chrissy. Let's go.
56 miles per hour. 62 miles per hour.
It seems like it's going
60
go!
miles per hour.
All right, let's bring Josh home.
It's for everybody else.
Oh,
54 miles per hour.
That's when it hurts.
53 miles per hour.
I was afraid of him.
oh.
67 miles per hour.
Nice job.
Stay disciplined now. Stay disciplined. What do you say now? What do you say, RO? What do you say?
62 miles per hour.
Batting number 7, Caleb Pearson.
Here, I just hold it. Oh, you can't hold it.
Is that going? Yeah, the heater's going.
Yeah.
There goes Zach.
56 miles per hour.
What is this? Because there's. There you go.
59 miles per hour.
Here goes Zach.
61 miles per hour. 70 miles per hour.
Good pitch.
70. 70 from Zach. Yeah, you gotta heat that. There you go, Zach.
60 miles per hour.
Pitch, Zach.
I don't know if it's
64 miles per hour.
yeah, I think it's like. I think it's 8 runs after 5. Nice pitch.
57 miles per hour. 58 miles per hour. 73 miles per hour. 66 miles per hour. 68 miles per hour. 59 miles per hour. 57 miles per hour. 68 miles per hour.
'Nice pitch, Zach.
57 miles per hour.
Thought it was good.
58 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Look.
56 miles per hour. 64 miles per hour.
What am I waiting for?
hour.
Way ahead, Zach! Yeah!
Miles per hour. 54 miles per hour. 61 miles per hour.
What happened there? No, it's only 2.
Batting number 20.
58 miles per hour. 56 miles per hour. 66 miles per hour. 55 miles per hour.
There you go.
55 miles per hour. 64 miles per hour. 57 miles per hour. 68 miles per hour.
It's gonna blow away. There you go.
71 miles
Swing,
per
good
hour.
cut.
70 miles per hour.
All right, Al! Let's go, Sean!
69 miles per hour.
There you go.
68 miles per hour.
We're in a triangle here. Catch that?
Drop.
51 miles per hour. 66 miles per hour. 61 miles per hour. 65 miles per hour. 60